Which is the largest animal in the world?
Answer is blue whale. Which animal dies after drinking water? Answer is kangaroo rat. Which insect can live without its head for a week? Answer is cockroach.
Which animal cannot physically see towards the sky?
Answer is pigs.
Which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer is hummingbird. Which is the largest bird in the world?
Answer is ostrich.
Which animal has three hearts?
Answer is octopus.
Which is the only snake that builds a nest?
Answer is king cobra.
Which bird does not make nest?
Answer is cuckoo.
Which animal can digest iron nail?
Answer is crocodile.
Which bird has no wings?
Answer is kiwi.
Which animal gives both milk and eggs?
Answer is platypus.
Which bird can rotate its head 360 degree?
Answer is owl.
Name the only mammal that can fly.
Answer is bats.
What kind of creature is that which tastes with its feet?
Answer is butterfly.
Which animal can sleep for 3 years?
Answer is snails.
Which animal cannot jump?
Answer is elephant.
Which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Answer is giraffes.
Which animal may have stopped breathing for 6 days?
Answer is scorpion. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Answer is stonefish.
Which is the only bird that can fly backwards?
Answer is hummingbird.